checking a new microphone setup, so forgive me if this does not sound as good as the previous ones. So in this video, we are looking at one of the latest upper budget range or lower mid-range IEM, single DD IEM. It is the Astrotec AM AM850 Mark II. They had a AM850 previously, which was released in 2018. That too was a single DD IEM, and this too is a single dynamic driver based IEM priced at $170. It is not exactly expensive and is positioned to go against similarly priced IEMs from other brands, mostly like the FIO FD3 Pro and the PQI's Autumn kind of stuff. And there are a lot of DD based IEMs. There's a lot of enthusiasm for DD based IEMs these days, and every brand wants to cash in there. And this is the attempt from Astrotec. Astrotec has been making some DD based IEMs for sure. They have been making a lot of DD based IEMs. So where is it? Yeah. This is my first review of an Astrotec IEM, and I'm expecting it to perform reasonably. I'm not exactly expecting a lot from an IEM in this budget, but definitely you cannot blame me if I wanted to perform as good as the FD3 or something like the Autumn. Even Autumn is slightly more evolved. BQIs have been making IEMs for a while and they are getting good at it, but Astrotec 2 is making IEMs lately. Not in this budget though, they have been making more expensive IEMs, but Astrotec know how to make dynamic driver based IEMs thanks to their focus on earbuds. So what we have here, nothing. This is just for protection. Astrotec. This is the carry case. This is slightly on the smaller side, but I believe this is reasonable. The size is reasonable, looks good to me, looks fairly premium to me. And these are the filters, the tuning filters. So natural, tide, I don't know what is tide, gray, gold, neutral. Man, this is, I'll have to look into the manual for sure, if there is one manual. Okay, so there is a tip organizer too. This is nice, but I do not think I need that as of now. So let's see what do Astrotec mean by tide, if there is any information on that. There is no information on that. Is there any information on this? So this IEM does not need any power, 1 MW. So you can drive it from the weakest of sources, I believe 10 mm LCP, liquid crystal polymer. I'll be burning this in for I believe 100 hours before I make a verdict on this. So the review will take around a week, and oh, this is interesting. 2 years of warranty. That is nice. Let's look at the earpieces. There's a pair of spin fit kind of tape already installed on this. Nice, good looking tape. You guys can see build quality is very good. I like this build quality. AM850 Mark II, that is good branding from them. This nozzle feels very stable. I like this. I like this kind of nozzle design. This is far more stable and nice. This is going to be very stable inside the ear, and the size is not big. This size is fairly on the smaller side, and I like this. I like this size. Nice. Not open back, not open back for sure. Let's have a look at the cable. The cable is of average quality. This is nothing special for sure, just average. Not liking this cable much, but this is average at best. We cannot really help it. Nevertheless, reasonably good. Some similar kind of tips in here, I believe. Some clear foam and those spin fit kind of tips. These are not exactly spin fit, but yeah, similar kind of tips. So this is it. This is the unboxing of Astrotec AM850 Mark II. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Enjoy.